Fair play to you, McPig. You come down here to County Down. You get 3 people to help you with that big double bass of yours. Look at me. I have to carry this accordion on my own. But sure, it's worth it. Look at that there. The beautiful mountains of Mourne.
Oh, Mary, this London's a wonderful sight, where the people are working by day and by night. They don't sow potatoes, nor barley, nor wheat, but there's gangs of them digging for gold in the street. At least when I asked them, that's what I was told. So I just took a hand at this digging for gold. But for all that I found her, I might as well be where the mountains of Mourne sweep down to the sea. I believe that when writing a wish you expressed as to how the fine ladies in London were dressed. If you believe me when asked to a ball, they don't wear a top to their dresses at all. I've seen them myself, and you could not in troth say if they were bound for a ball or a bath. They'll be starting them fashions, Mary McCree, where the mountains of Mourne sweep down to the sea. Remember young Peter O'Loughlin, of course, he's over here at the head of the force. I met him today, I was crossing the Strand. He stopped all the street with one wave of his hand, and there we stood talking of days that are gone, while the whole population of London looked on. But for all his great power, he's wishful like me, to be back where the dark morn sweep down to the sea. There's beautiful girls here, oh never you mind, beautiful shapes nature never designed, lovely complexions, all roses and cream. But O'Loughlin remarked with regard to the same, that if at those roses you venture to sip, the colors might all come away on your lip. So I'll wait for the wild rose that's waiting for me, where the mountains of Mourne sweep down to the sea.